Hello and welcome. Before you start any business, it is important to do a market survey. For this video clip, it is going to be just a little bit of fun. I am going to tell you my coffee preferences along with 3 other respondents, millennials for that matter, and we are going to tell you our coffee preferences. At the end of the video clip, please copy and paste the questionnaires and let us know your responses in the comments below. Enjoy. Hot.
Hot. Hot coffee.
Hot coffee.
Latte.
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 Latte with lactose-free milk.
Brewed.
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 Brew coffee.
Cappuccino.
Latte.
Latte.
Neither of them.
Vanilla.
Vanilla every day and caramel for a treat.
Caramel.
Neither of them too.
Moka pot, I like it strong.
I don't know the difference.
I don't know the difference.
I don't know what's that.
Cold brew.
Hot brew.
Cold brew.
Cold brew.
Tall.
Depends on the drink.
Grande.
Tall.
Regular.
I've only had decaf once and it wasn't very good, so I'll go regular until there's a good one.
Regular.
Regular.
Less sweet.
Less sweet.
Less sweet.
Less sweet.
No whipped cream.
No whipped cream. Never any whipped cream.
No whip.
With whipped cream.
Medium roast.
Medium roast.
Medium roast.
Medium roast.
Iced.
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 Ice.
Definitely alone. Coffee makes great company.
Depends on the drink and depends on who.
With friends.
Alone or with what? Or with friends, sorry. Alone.
Mocha.
Mom's Spanish latte.
Mocha mint.
Mocha with non-fat milk.
Before 3 p.m.
Just before lunch.
During the exam.
All the time. Well, there you have it, a short video clip to tell you my coffee preferences along with 3 other respondents. Don't forget to copy and paste the questions and let us know your answers in the comments below. For those that do not know, I have 2 books that I have written for those that are planning to start their milk tea shop, All Things Milk Tea, and also for those that are planning their coffee shops, The Basic Barista. If you would like to get a copy of these books, please check out the description box below for details on how to order. I am also warned by a number of positive feedback that I have been getting from these books, so make sure you get yourself a copy. If you're planning to start a milk tea shop or a coffee shop, this is not a bad time to start. There's never a bad time. It's always a good time to start. Coffee and tea will always be part of people's life and lifestyle. For those that have not yet subscribed to this channel, click that subscribe button below and learn more about coffee and tea. In my future video tutorials, I'll be giving you more business tips on operating and starting milk tea shop or coffee shop. So stay tuned. In the meantime, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.